Today I have for you this Bunion corrector. And this is a pretty cool device, I must say. So let me just show you first. I'll show you everything that comes in the box, and then I'll show you how to put it on. But box comes like this. Inside, you're going to get a little user manual that goes over how to use some things. You're going to get a set of toe separators. So if you need to use the toe separators, they include those as well. Those are a nice soft silicone. You do get extra straps for like around the back of the ankle. So just to kind of point out some really cool things on this, when you're putting in this on, this is like a ratchet style setting. So super easy to do. I love that. I also love that the silicone on the inside is super, super soft. So very comfortable to wear, allows you to adjust it how you need it. So let's put it on. All right, now I'm going to show you here how to put this on. So I like to keep this part closed. Just open it a little bit, but I don't want to take it out of there. So open that up a little bit more for the toe. I'm going to slip this on my foot, kind of like a sock. This big loop is going to go around my big toe. And then I'm going to tighten that like so. There we go. And then this part that's going across the top of my foot and also the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and pull that tight. And then finally, the straps around here is what is going to go around my ankle. So just like that, you can see this on. Now this is the part where I was talking about it's a ratchet. So if you take a close look here, we're going to lift that up and you can hear, probably see how that's pulling that. I mean, you want to go till your comfort. You don't want to pull too far, especially as you're working on the correction, but really easy to go on. And then to get it off, you're just going to press this button in the middle, and then that's going to release that ratchet strap for you. So you can see there. Really great and easy bunion corrector to use. I highly recommend it.